Get ready to explore a word that opens doors. Today's adventure starts right now on Word Up with Sofia. Our word for today is inquire. Say it with me, inquire. You're sounding smarter already. Let's spell it together. I-N-Q-U-I-R-E. That spells inquire. Way to go. Inquire means to ask for information or investigate something further. It's all about curiosity, wanting to know more, dig deeper, and discover answers. Here are some words that mean the same as inquire. Ask, investigate, probe, query, examine, request, explore, pause and review. Each one is like a different tool in your questions toolbox. And here are the opposites, the words that don't match with inquire. Answer, reply, silence, withhold, ignore, neglect, disregard. These are the times when no questions are asked at all. Here's one to remember. Sofia decided to inquire about joining the science club. Quick review. Inquire means to ask for information or investigate something further. Synonyms: ask, investigate, probe, query, examine, request, explore. Antonyms: answer, reply, silence, withhold, ignore, neglect, disregard. Asking questions shows your brain is wide awake, and you're brave enough to seek answers. Your challenge: find something you're curious about today and inquire. Ask someone, look it up, or explore it yourself. Questions are like keys. The more you ask, the more doors you can unlock in life. Stay curious, word explorer. Your next word adventure is waiting for you tomorrow.